So ignore the bald man behind the mask. Hey, working on the camper. Problem I've got is what I originally planned on doing, unsealing the door, the galley door down to the camper, isn't going to work. I had wanted to put this strip back on, which goes right here. That's where it originally came off of. And then I was going to put along here, I was going to put a piece of rubber with that, what do they call it, a D-rubber link with a 1/4 inch grip. The wrong one, and I'm just going to use it, make it work. So what I'm going to do, this is it. You can see that. You can also see that it fits right on like that. So that's exactly how I wanted to do it. And this is that's way too big. I'm going to trim, route out 2 grooves on this section here, and then stick that in there so that it can it'll actually be in there like that. The door will come down and push against it. So I mean, it'll do the same thing, just a little different than what I intended. But I notice also, you'll see here, it's leaning to one side. This side is pretty much flat and that side leaning. You got to make sure that that leaning side is facing out, and because when the galley door comes down, if it's on the wrong side, it'll pinch it down inside. So you want it to actually pinch outside. But at least I'm going to. That's the way I'm going to do it. And I'll probably give you a little show of what I'm doing, routing this out. The problem I'm going to have with doing this is when I put this glue on the outside and on the inside, I braid nailed it after I glued it, the edges, so that they would pull tight. I clamped everything, but I'm still going to have that problem. So what I got to do is I got to route through those nails, those braid nails. What I've done is I've mounted I've got a special blade that actually will cut the groove for me, but I have to sharpen that every now and then because you'll see in the video, you might see the actual nails sparking as I'm flying through those. But alright, well, here I go. I've already got the depth set. I'm going to put on my gear because this throws stuff everywhere. And then I'll be back. So ignore the bald man behind the mask. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a, if I can get it to focus here, I've got a rubber hose inside of there that'll just keep it from totally collapsing. And remember I was telling you it leans to one side. That's what I'm showing you here. You can see it leans. So the leaning side, which is this side, needs to go on the outside. And you can see I've done cut these. So now all I do is I've also cut a groove on the, a wedge edge on the edge. So, because I knew I couldn't get up in here with the bit. Tucking it down in there, and that's what I'll be continuing all the way down.